Artificial intelligence is shaping our society, but its decisions are only as good as the data we create. To build critical AI literacy in kids aged 10 to 14, we developed the AI Kitchen. In this simulator, each level represents a different way AI systems fail, from temporal decay to representation bias to hallucinations, toxic poisoning, and spurious correlations. Designed to run in entirely low-spec school environments, the simulator turns complex database concepts into tangible physical elements. On a dynamic conveyor belt, students act as data engineers. They inspect metadata timestamps to filter temporal decay and use our live Worldview bias monitor to physically balance representation, learning how skew training sets skew model decisions. And instead of passive reading, students experience learning through gameplay friction. In our cybersecurity modules, failing to isolate corrupted data depletes the AI's health bar. These failures are achieved in our interactive disaster gallery as collectible trophies. Students can open any card to inspect side-by-side comparative results like a model producing literal politician shouting instead of a green parrot due to representation bias, and with a pedagogical breakdown explaining the failure. We validated this tool with middle school students in local classrooms. Rather than memorizing code, they engaged in active data governance. The simulator successfully bridged the gap between game mechanics and critical concept transfer. As one student explains after completing the representation level,
Hola Benjamín, ¿qué pasaría si le metes datos basura al simulador?
Bueno, no serviría porque él no me daría la respuesta adecuada que yo quiero, ¿no?
Hola Nadine, ¿qué pasa si le metes datos basura al simulador?
El modelo sería inservible y no funcionaría, sería un modelo tonto.
to summarize this learning experience, every level culminates in a consolidated diagnostic report. It generates an FDA-styled data nutrition label, rendering a clear, audit-ready footprint of the trained dataset. This label quantifies the user choices, visualizing data integrity directly as a consequence of their curation. To foster universal inclusion, the interface bypasses language barriers through iconographic coding, like sunglasses for latency and school indicators for toxic data. My name is Santiago Palma, a third-year systems engineering student and the sole creator of this project. By optimizing rendering for low-spec school Chromebooks, the AI Kitchen equips Classroom Anywhere to teach the most critical skill of your time: responsible data engineering. Thank you.